Hello, it's Matt over at ADI. Today I'm going to show you how the peer review process works throughout the Learning Hub. The ADI Learning Hub will automatically assign students outside of their group to peer review the work of their classmates. As a teacher, you can see these assignments by going into the View Submission mode in the Investigation dashboard. Navigate to the stage and activity of the peer review. Here, you can identify which students are assigned to each other. This can be helpful when managing your class, as each student might progress at a different pace. With that in mind, we have built out our Student Help I'm Stuck function. This allows students to notify you that they are stuck during the peer review process. Visit our knowledge base or watch episode 4 of our Keys to the Learning Hub webcast for a more in-depth look at this functionality. As a student begins the peer review process in the Learning Hub, they are able to open the assigned work to start reviewing, add a comment, move the comment to its appropriate position on the work, correlating it to the section they are commenting on before adding it. At least 2 comments are required to be submitted for a peer review to be marked as complete in the Learning Hub. Once a student has completed providing feedback to their peers, they are able to move on to the reflection activity, a part of the peer review process. In this activity, students are able to view the feedback they have received, see where on the work each response was provided, and then rate and comment on the feedback. This activity completes the peer review process in the Learning Hub. If you have any questions about this or any other function in the ADI Learning Hub, please contact us at info@adilearninghub.com.